Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is under my health and fitness, and it's also a continuation of I Can't Pee series. Well, the last video you saw was when I had my prostate biopsy done. Well, the other day I got the results and it's positive for cancer. Great, huh? So right now I was scheduled for a CAT scan and something nuclear or something testing. Well, my local hospital that I was supposed to go to, the machine went down. So they had to reschedule me for another hospital. So here I am, and they've put some, you see that? She put some dye solution in here for one test, and for the next test I got to drink a bottle of this, and it's another form of dye, depending on what the machine picks up. So I'm having fun. I got here at 8:30. She wants to see me for this test at 10:30. It's currently 9, so I got an hour and a half to kick around, and then at 11:30 I go back in for this. So we're gonna see how all this transpires, and then I have an appointment to see the regular specialist for the prostate on the 13th, and this is currently the 8th. So we'll see how all this pans out. I'm not freaking out that I've got cancer, but the whole point behind this is to see if anything spread from the prostate. Then I guess I'm going to have to decide whether I'm going to go ahead and have radiation treatments or go ahead and have it removed. And I'm looking at probably having it removed, because I don't think I want that treatment. There might be even new treatment, but that's the old treatments, and those are the two options that I have at the moment. So, all right. So she made me up some sort of concoction in a Powerade. Oh, yuck. Woo! Okay. Let's see. Shake well before drinking. Drink 1 hour before scheduled appointment time. Please arrive 30 minutes prior to appointment time and allow the time to go through the registration. All right. Powerade with 1 ounce of Gastroview added. All right. Yeah. Yuck. 1 hour. So she wants me back at 10:30 on this thing. So, all right. Well, stay tuned. Okay, I just finished my CAT scan. That's where you lay on a table and then you get pulled through a donut. They're going to put an IV in your arm and put saline, I guess some sort of saline solution in your arm, and then I guess it takes a scan of all your tissues. So now the next one is going to be something nuclear, and that takes a picture of your bone tissue. And I had to take put a dye in me for that. So, and so we'll see what this one entails, because I've never had that one. I've had a CAT scan way back when I broke my neck, I believe. Once you lay inside this thing, and it's a big donut, and slides you back and forth. So on to the next phase here in about 30 minutes. Okay, so the nuclear scan is done, sometimes called bone scan, and she'll read that. That does everything from your bones to heart. So she's got pictures of everything. It'll also pick up if you've got arthritis. So that's another facet behind that. All right, so we will see. Hopefully it hasn't traveled anywhere, but it hasn't traveled anywhere, and it's still sitting in the prostate. And I'll be happy to hear that. So I won't know till Monday. This is the 8th, and it's going to be on the 13th. There we go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and hopefully I'm praying, fingers crossed, that it's only in the prostate, and I can just deal with that.